The world of work is undergoing a profound transformation, unlike anything we have witnessed before. We stand at the precipice of a new era, driven by two powerful forces: the relentless rise of robots and the exponential power of artificial intelligence. These technologies are not just buzzwords, they are actively reshaping industries, redefining job roles, and fundamentally altering how we live and work. From automated factories to intelligent software, their influence is expanding at an astonishing pace. This shift presents both unprecedented opportunities and significant challenges for individuals and societies alike. Understanding these changes is crucial for navigating the path ahead. Today, we are diving deep into this rapidly evolving landscape. We will explore how robots and AI are impacting our professional lives and what it means for your career. The future is arriving faster than many realize, and preparation is key. Are you ready for the future? Let's find out together. Robots have been a cornerstone of industrial progress for decades, particularly in manufacturing. They revolutionized production lines, enhancing efficiency and consistency in ways previously unimaginable. Their mechanical precision and tireless operation transformed how goods were made, setting new standards for output and quality. However, the current wave of automation is fundamentally different. Artificial intelligence is elevating these capabilities to an entirely new level, moving beyond mere repetitive tasks. AI imbues machines with the ability to learn, adapt, and even make decisions, pushing the boundaries of what automation can achieve. Consider the evolution of customer service. What once required human operators is now frequently handled by AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These systems can process vast amounts of information, understand complex queries, and provide instant, personalized responses, often improving service delivery. In healthcare, AI is assisting with diagnostics, analyzing medical images with remarkable accuracy, and even helping to discover new drugs. It can sift through patient data to identify patterns and predict risks, supporting medical professionals in making more informed decisions. This augmentation enhances human expertise. Even creative fields are experiencing AI's influence. Algorithms can compose music, generate art, and write compelling text, challenging our traditional notions of creativity. While human ingenuity remains paramount, AI tools are becoming powerful collaborators, opening new avenues for artistic expression and innovation. The driving factors behind this accelerating change are compelling. Businesses are constantly seeking increased efficiency to remain competitive in a global market. Automation, especially with AI, offers pathways to streamline operations and optimize resource allocation, leading to significant productivity gains. Reduced operational costs are another major incentive. Automating tasks can lower labor expenses, minimize errors, and decrease waste, contributing directly to a company's bottom line. This economic advantage fuels further investment in advanced robotic and AI systems across various sectors. Furthermore, robots and AI excel at performing tasks that are dangerous, dirty, or dull for humans. They can operate in hazardous environments, handle heavy loads, or execute highly repetitive actions without fatigue or risk of injury. This protects human workers and allows them to focus on more complex and rewarding activities. The integration of AI into robotic systems creates machines that are not just tools, but intelligent agents. They can perceive their environment, learn from experience, and execute complex sequences of actions autonomously. This sophisticated level of automation is rapidly expanding its footprint across industries, from logistics and agriculture to finance and entertainment. This pervasive adoption means that the impact of automation is no longer confined to factories. It is now reaching into offices, hospitals, retail spaces, and even our homes. The ubiquity of these technologies signals a fundamental shift in the nature of work itself, demanding our attention and adaptation. The impact of robots and AI on employment is a complex issue, far from a simple narrative of wholesale replacement. While some jobs are undoubtedly at risk, the broader picture involves significant shifts in job roles, the creation of entirely new professions, and a re-evaluation of human skills. It is a dynamic process of evolution, not just elimination. Jobs involving highly routine, repetitive, and predictable tasks are most susceptible to automation. These are roles where processes can be easily codified and executed by machines with greater speed and accuracy. This includes many administrative functions, data entry, and certain aspects of manufacturing and logistics. Specific sectors face particular challenges. Manufacturing, which has long embraced automation, continues to see a reduction in manual labor roles as advanced robotics take over more complex assembly and quality control. The transportation industry is also on the cusp of major disruption with the advent of autonomous vehicles, potentially impacting millions of drivers. Even some white-collar roles are not immune. AI can now perform tasks like basic legal research, financial analysis, and even some forms of journalism. Algorithms can process vast datasets, identify trends, and generate reports much faster than humans, leading to a redefinition of these professional responsibilities. However, this is only one side of the coin. The rise of AI and robotics is simultaneously creating a surge in demand for new types of expertise. The development, deployment, and maintenance of these sophisticated systems require a specialized workforce. This leads to the emergence of exciting new career paths. There is a growing need for AI specialists, including machine learning engineers, AI researchers, and natural language processing experts. These professionals are crucial for designing, training, and refining the intelligent systems that power our automated future. Their skills are at the forefront of technological innovation. Data scientists are also in high demand, tasked with collecting, analyzing, and interpreting the massive amounts of data generated by AI systems. They extract valuable insights that drive business decisions and improve algorithmic performance. Their ability to make sense of complex information is invaluable. Robot technicians and engineers are essential for the physical implementation and upkeep of robotic systems. They install, program, troubleshoot, and repair robots, ensuring their smooth operation in diverse environments. Their practical skills bridge the gap between digital design and physical reality. Beyond these technical roles, there is an increasing emphasis on uniquely human skills that AI and robots cannot easily replicate. These are the cognitive and emotional capabilities that define our humanity and provide a distinct advantage in a world of intelligent machines. They are becoming more valuable than ever. Creativity, for instance, remains a uniquely human domain. The ability to innovate, conceptualize new ideas, and think divergently is critical for problem-solving and driving progress. While AI can generate variations, true creative leaps often stem from human intuition and experience. Critical thinking, the capacity to analyze information objectively, evaluate arguments, and form reasoned judgments, is indispensable. As AI provides more data and recommendations, the human ability to critically assess and contextualize this information becomes paramount for effective decision-making. Emotional intelligence, encompassing empathy, collaboration, and communication, is vital for navigating complex social interactions and leading teams. Robots and AI lack genuine emotional understanding, making human interpersonal skills irreplaceable in roles requiring nuanced human connection and leadership. The crucial message here is not one of despair, but of adaptation. The future of work demands a proactive approach to skill development. Individuals and organizations must recognize these shifts and invest in continuous learning to remain relevant and thrive in the evolving job market. To navigate this transformative landscape successfully, the focus must shift towards developing skills that complement, rather than compete with, AI and robots. This means cultivating a blend of advanced technical expertise and uniquely human attributes. The goal is to foster collaboration between humans and machines, leveraging the strengths of both. On the technical front, proficiency in data analysis is becoming increasingly vital. The ability to interpret large datasets, identify trends, and draw meaningful conclusions is essential in an AI-driven world. Understanding how to work with data is a foundational skill for many emerging roles. Programming skills, even at a basic level, provide a significant advantage. Understanding the logic behind software and being able to interact with code empowers individuals to better utilize and even customize AI tools. It fosters a deeper comprehension of how these systems function. More specialized technical skills include AI development and machine learning. For those looking to be at the forefront of innovation, understanding how to design, train, and deploy AI models opens up numerous career opportunities. These roles are critical for advancing the technology itself. Expertise in robotics, including design, operation, and maintenance, is also in high demand. As robots become more prevalent in various industries, professionals who can work directly with these physical systems will be indispensable. This includes everything from industrial robots to service robots. However, technical skills alone are not sufficient. The human skills that differentiate us from machines are equally, if not more, important. These are the soft skills that enable us to innovate, collaborate, and lead effectively in complex environments. They are the bedrock of human value. Critical thinking remains paramount. The ability to analyze complex problems, evaluate information from multiple sources, and formulate reasoned solutions is a skill that AI can augment but not replace. It allows us to make strategic decisions and navigate ambiguity. Problem solving, especially for novel or ill-defined challenges, is another key human strength. While AI can solve defined problems efficiently, humans excel at identifying new problems, reframing existing ones, and devising creative solutions that require intuition and insight. Creativity, the capacity to generate original ideas and approaches, is essential for innovation and adaptation. In a world where routine tasks are automated, the ability to think outside the box and bring fresh perspectives becomes a premium skill, driving progress and differentiation. Effective communication is crucial for collaborating with both humans and AI systems. The ability to articulate ideas clearly, listen actively, and convey complex information persuasively ensures smooth teamwork and successful project execution. It bridges understanding. Finally, adaptability is perhaps the most critical skill for the future. The pace of technological change means that continuous learning and the willingness to embrace new tools and methods are non-negotiable. Those who can quickly adjust to new paradigms will thrive. Investing in education and continuous learning is no longer optional, it is a necessity. Fortunately, numerous resources are available to help individuals acquire these vital skills. Online courses offer flexible and accessible pathways to learn new technical and human-centric competencies. Workshops provide intensive, hands-on training in specific areas, allowing for rapid skill acquisition and practical application. Certifications from reputable institutions validate expertise and enhance employability, signaling proficiency to potential employers. Lifelong learning is the new standard. The future of work is not about humans being replaced by machines, it is about collaboration. It envisions a symbiotic relationship where humans and AI work together, each leveraging their unique strengths to achieve outcomes far beyond what either could accomplish alone. This partnership will redefine productivity and innovation. This optimistic outlook suggests that by combining human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence with AI's analytical power, speed, and data processing capabilities, we can unlock unprecedented levels of achievement. We can solve more complex problems and create more value. Embracing this change means actively engaging with new technologies, rather than resisting them. It involves understanding how AI and robots can augment our abilities and make our work more efficient and impactful. This proactive stance is key to thriving in the new economy. Developing the necessary skills, both technical and human, is a continuous journey. It requires a commitment to lifelong learning and a willingness to adapt to evolving demands. Staying informed about technological advancements and their implications is also crucial for personal and professional growth. The future of work is not a predetermined destination, but a landscape we are actively shaping. By understanding the forces at play, investing in our capabilities, and fostering a mindset of collaboration, we can ensure a future where technology empowers humanity. We can build a more productive, innovative, and fulfilling professional world for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on technology and the future.